In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the gear icon at the top of it. Then select Theme, scroll down and click on all of those icons next to all of those categories. This way you will see all available themes under those icons. After finding the perfect one for you, click on it, manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!